Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to teach one new lesson, that is Jyotishikasya Dhinam. It is a translated story. The original story is in English language, written by famous Angla Bhasha Lekaka Dr. R.K. Narayan. Jyotishikasya Dhinam, an astrologer's day. Original English language. English author is Dr. R.K. Narayan Mahabhaga, and it is translated into Sanskrit. Sanskritanuvadakah Shri Avinash Varnah Mahabhaga. The characters in the story: Jyotishika, astrologer, and Guru Nayaka, one traveler. Third one, Jyotishikasya Patni, astrologer's wife. Now, story in brief. It was a busy market road. Beside one banyan tree, big banyan tree, there astrologer used to sit under a banyan tree and tell the fortune of the people. Beside him, there was one Bengal gram seller. People used to buy Bengal gram and they used to ask their fortune to this astrologer. One day, as usual, he came and sat, and he was telling, as usual, people were coming, buying the Bengal gram and asking him about their fortune. It was evening, almost dark, and Bengal gram seller packed his things and he went away. Even in darkness, this astrologer used to tell astrology in the light of the frying pan of that Bengal gram seller. ಆ ಹುರಿಯುವ ಬೆಂಕಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಡಲೆಯನ್ನ ಹುರಿಯುವಂತ ಬೆಂಕಿಯ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇ Bengal gram seller went away, and astrologer is also packing his things to go. By that time, one tired traveler came. He was in a very angry mood, restless. By seeing him, Jyotishi was happy. So one customer I got. Then astrologer called that traveler, come here, I will tell your fortune. That traveler was in an angry mood. Oh, do you think that you are a great astrologer? Show your hand, I will tell your fortune. Astrologer told. If you are happy with my astrology, you give me 20 rupees. 20 rupees, those days it was very large sum amount. Then traveler told, if I am not happy with your Jyotisha, will you return it? It was almost dark. Then he stretched his hand. Traveler stretched his hand. And the Jyotishi was about to read his hand. Your Bhagya Rekha, like this he was about to tell. I don't want all those formality. You tell something special. Like this, Guru Nayaka told. Then he was trying to read that lines in his hand. Jyotisha was trying to read the lines in the hand of a traveler. By that time, traveler lit his cigarette. In that light, astrologer could notice the face of the traveler. Jyotisha started shivering. Oh, I was caught. Then he told, I am in a hurry. Today I can't tell. Now I have to go. You take your 20 rupees back. Like this he told. Traveler, he did not come there on his own. Forcibly, Jyotishi called. Now he told, you called me forcibly. Now you are telling to go. No. Now you should tell my fortune. Saying so, the traveler caught hold of the hand of Jyotish. Jyotishika had no other option but to tell. But he was so intelligent. He used his Samaya Prajna. Jyotishika knew that he was in a great risk. But even then, in the darkness, the traveler could not identify the face of this Jyotishika. So, that much he was safe. Astrologer was safe. Then he started telling, oh, long back, you were in very great risk. There was a great risk to your life. Started telling, oh yeah, correct. Tell me further. He was very curious to know. Traveler was very curious to know. Because he started correcting. Some person pierced you with a knife into your chest and he pushed you into the well. Yeah, exactly correct. Really, you are great. See the mark on my chest? Saying so, he showed the mark on his chest to astrologer. I was pushed into the well. There was nobody. I was about to die. But some person came and he rescued me. Otherwise, I would have died long back. Like this, he told. Jyotishika, you tell me one thing. Will I be successful in my search? He asked. That means traveler is in search of the person who stabbed traveler with a knife. Then Jyotishika told, no, the person whom you are searching died 4 months back. You will never meet him in your life at all. He is there. You cannot meet. Oh, is it? I am roaming since so many months in search of that fellow. I wanted to press his neck because he cheated me and he pushed me into the well. Luckily, I am survived. Oh, what to do now? He is already dead, you are telling. Yeah, he has died. You cannot meet him. Now only you go to your village by train. Otherwise, from your Bhagya Rekha, it seems still there is more danger to your life. ಈಗಿಂದೀಗಲೇ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂದ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಜೀವ ಭಯ ಇದೆ. He felt very much disappointed, traveler. He wanted to take revenge on that person. So he felt very bad. But he was very happy with the astrology of Jyotishika. He gave him some more notes and he went away. Okay. Now it was midnight when he reached home. His wife was waiting for him on the door. Then he had food and he told Jyotishika was relieved. He heaved a sigh of relief. Oh, ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ನಾನು ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕೊಂದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ನೋ ಅವನು ಬದುಕಿದಾನೆ. So I am relieved today. Like this, he expressed in front of his wife. Wife asked, ನೀವು ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕೊಲ್ಲೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? She was not aware of that fact. And he told all the story. There was some quarrel between me and some person, and in an angry mood, I pushed him to the well, thinking that he died. I left my village then and there itself without intimating to anybody. I was very arrogant. I was very young those days. So I could not control my anger. I pushed that person into the well and I came to this small town. But what is the means for livelihood? He was not knowing anything. So I took this profession of this astrology. I was not knowing anything. From my imagination and from my common sense, I used to tell some astrology. People used to feel happy and they used to go. Like this, he told his story in front of his wife. Then he slept aramse without any tension. That guilty feeling disappeared because he is still alive. And he slept silently on the mat. This is the story. We also see so many astrologers. They are cheating the innocent common people by their false astrology. People will believe and they will give money. That's the source of their livelihood. So you must be careful about such false astrologers. This astrology is a most scientific science, most scientific shastra. But these cheats are misusing the astrology. Here, one most important question will be asked from this lesson. That is, describe Samaya Prajna of astrologer. Samaya Prajna. When he saw the face of astrologer in the light of the cigarette, no doubt he was afraid. But see how intelligently he turned the whole situation in his favor. He was the same person to whom he had pushed into the well and tried to kill. Is it not? But he explained, he described the whole situation as if he is going to tell the fortune of that traveler. This is one thing. That is Samaya Prajna. Whole situation came under his control. That traveler completely believed astrologer. This is one thing. And secondly, astrologer became successful in sending that traveler out of that town, saying that he died 4 months back. That means he is saved. Jyotishika is saved out of danger also. He was afraid. Today, somehow I am saved because it was dark. He could not identify astrologer's face. Tomorrow, if he comes again in search of that person to whom he pushed traveler. So with that fear, that also he took care of that. Now only you go to village and never come back again. Again there is a great risk to your life. Saying so, astrologer was completely saved. He used his common sense, intelligence. He was saved from the danger. One Samaya Prajna, common sense, how he used that question comes. Okay, now I will read the Pitika of this lesson, introduction part, page number 53. Anudita Kata, Jyotishikasya Dinam, an astrologer's day, Jyotishikasya Dinam. Anudita Kata, this is a translated story. Suprasiddha Angla Bhasha Lekaka, a famous English author, Padma Shri awardee, Dr. R.K. Narayan Mahabhagena Virachitam, he wrote an astrologer's day iti Laghu Katha, a small story, short story, Atra Sankshipta Rupeda Svikata. It is selected in a very brief manner. Asya Kataya Samskritanuvadakaha. I had told in the beginning, the one who translated into Sanskrit is Sri Avinash Varnaha Mahabhag. Where this story is published, Sambhashana Sandesha iti Sanskrita Masa Patrikaya. There was one monthly magazine, name is Sambhashana Sandesha, in that October 2010. Esha Katha Prakatita Vartate. This story is published in the monthly magazine of Sanskrit, Sambhashana Sandesha. Pratyaksham Jyotisham Shastram. Astrology is very scientific. Pratyaksha. Uktyanasareena Bharatiya Jyotish Shastram Vaijnanikam asti. Indian astrology is very Vaijnanika scientific. Jyotishasya leshamapi ajananta. Leshamapi. ಬಹವಃ ಢಾಂಬಿಕಾಃ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯದ ಲವಲೇಶವೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಮೋಸಗಾರರು, the cheats who don't know even a little bit, even ABCD of astrology, katham janan vanchayanti, how they cheat people, atra katharupena chitritam asti. It is described in a form of a story. Here, in the first para, second line, Swikrita. Can you identify? Swikrita. Endege ta pratyaya ಇದೆ. It is Bhutakridanta. Ta pratyaya ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ ಸ್ವೀಕೃತ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಕಟಿತ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಭೂತಕೃದಂತ, ತ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ. ಚಿತ್ರಿತಂ. Chitritam, it is also Bhutakridanta, ta pratyaya, but it is Napumsaka linga. Okay, now the story is story summary. You understood? In the next class, I will start this story. Now I am going to conclude this class. Thank you, students.